Managing facilities shouldn't feel like putting out fires every day. Unplanned breakdowns, scattered schedules, incidents reported but overlooked, missed maintenance tasks and delayed responses can turn facility management into a nightmare. Introducing DreamzCMMS, the smart facility management solution that brings order to chaos, making your facility operations smooth and efficient. Stay ahead of breakdowns with automated maintenance schedules and never miss a service deadline again. Streamline maintenance requests with seamless work order management. Assign tasks, track progress, and get instant updates. Empower your customers with QR code-based incident reporting, simplifying the process of logging issues and improving response times. Track every asset and inventory item in real time using RFID technology, reducing loss and ensuring efficient usage. Optimize energy and resource usage with real-time monitoring and actionable insights, saving both time and costs. Gain clarity with more than 200 customizable reports. Track KPIs, analyze trends, and make data-driven decisions. With DreamzCMMS, you'll eliminate inefficiencies, improve response times, and ensure every facility operates at peak performance. DreamzCMMS is your all-in-one solution for efficient, smart facility management, because your time is too valuable to waste on chaos. Start transforming your facility management. Contact us today to learn more.